Hi, this is a tutorial on how to use the first phase of the much anticipated WordPress data merge plugin. Before now, we have been working to put this wonderful product together. The problem this plugin actually addresses is you having a staging side and a live side, for instance. While the live side is still very much functional and is still receiving orders, you may have developed a new feature on your test site, and instead of doing all the work all over again, you know, copying all the files from your live site to the test site and back to the live site, this plugin actually helps you save a lot of time by merging the data from one side to another. So it makes it completely seamless for you to actually run your business and still make changes or make tests or add new features on your test site, so that you can easily merge that with your live site without any break in your business process. So I'm just going to show you real quickly how everything works. So I have two sites here. There's site 1 and there's site 2 here, as you can see clearly. So what you want to do is, I have gone past stage 1, which is installing the plugins on both sides. In your case, the live site and the test site, So we want to go to the settings here. It's very, very important to start with the connection key. Make sure that the connection key is the same on both sides so that they can communicate seamlessly. There you have it. So by the way, the connection key is generated automatically, or you could totally click here to generate a new one, and just sort of like make sure it is the same on both sides. So you want to set the MySQL dump binary path, or you could totally just leave that field blank if you don't know exactly what to put there. So you want to save on both sides so that everything works, and then you want to come to as you can see, there are no sites here, so I'm just going to add a site real quickly. So here's my URL, copied. Good. So URL over here, connection key. I'm just going to pick the connection key from here. Great, connection key. I'm going to say my order site. So you want to test the connection to be sure that the two sites are in sync, and voila, they both are. So you can publish, and then the next phase would be to launch the synchronization process. So the thing is, you can actually start the process from whichever site. The merging or the synchronization can actually be done either on the live side or on the test side. It's completely fine. So here it's very important that the result is going to be an Excel file. As I said earlier, this is the phase 1 of the development of the plugin. The goal of this tutorial is to actually validate that the data exportation and comparison of the plugin's functionality indeed works. So I only have one site here, so that's that, and I'm just going to launch the synchronization process. So you want to give the plugin a little bit of time to, of course, merge the data from both sides, so that the Excel sheet can be generated, and that completes the phase 1 of the plugin's functionality. In a much later time, we are going to release the other phase, and of course create useful documentation so that you know exactly how to make things work, and voila, we're here. So you can totally just download the results, and you can find below this video a screenshot of what the Excel file actually looks like. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.